Alembic Pharma gets US FDA approval for lamotrigine ODT, US market opportunity $27 million. Alembic Pharmaceuticals Limited has announced that it has received final approval from the US Food and Drug Administration for its abbreviated new drug application for lamotrigine orally disintegrating tablets USP in strengths of 25 mg, 50 mg, 100 mg, and 200 mg. The approved ANDA is therapeutically equivalent to the reference-listed drug Lamictal ODT of GlaxoSmithKline LLC. With this approval, Alembic can now market its generic version in the United States, expanding its footprint in the central nervous system therapeutic segment. Lamotrigine is widely used in the treatment of epilepsy and certain mood disorders. It is indicated as adjunctive therapy in patients aged 2 years and older for partial onset seizures, primary generalized tonic-clonic seizures, and generalized seizures associated with Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. In addition, it is approved for conversion to monotherapy in adults with partial onset seizures who are currently being treated with specific anti-epileptic drugs. Beyond epilepsy, lamotrigine also plays an important role in psychiatry. It is indicated for the maintenance treatment of bipolar I disorder, helping delay the recurrence of mood episodes in patients who have been stabilized on standard therapy. This dual therapeutic positioning in both neurology and psychiatry makes it a strategically relevant product in the US generics market. According to IQVIA data for the 12 months ending December 2025, lamotrigine orally disintegrating tablets in these strengths have an estimated market size of approximately $27 million. While not a blockbuster category, it represents a steady and meaningful opportunity in a well-established segment. With this latest approval, Alembic's cumulative ANDA approvals from the US FDA now stand at 235, including 216 final approvals and 19 tentative approvals. This milestone highlights the company's consistent execution in regulated markets and its ongoing focus on strengthening its US generics portfolio. Overall, the approval reinforces Alembic Pharmaceuticals' commitment to expanding its presence in the United States while addressing important therapeutic needs in epilepsy and bipolar disorder treatment. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.